Hi there, students. I had a question from Henry or Henri about what's the difference between to hoodwink and to bamboozle. Well, I think firstly both of these words mean to trick, yeah? But I have a feeling there is definitely a difference. If you bamboozle somebody, you try to confuse them. Yeah, you show them lots of different things. You do magic tricks, if you like. Yeah, you try very hard to persuade them to do something. Whereas I think to hoodwink, this has more an idea of fraud and trickery. Yeah. If you're bamboozling somebody, you're persuading them. Yeah, but you're persuading them with tricks. If you're hoodwinking them, you're showing them one thing and actually giving them another. So this, I think, to hoodwink is more direct trickery. Yeah, it's selling someone caviar, and it's actually just eggs from a common fish. That would be to hoodwink. I was hoodwinked. And then maybe to get you to buy it, they bamboozle you into buying it. So to bamboozle has this idea of to persuade strongly, to try and push somebody into doing it. Hard sell, yeah? This is the only one I've got, and if you don't buy it, somebody else is going to buy it very soon. So you really need to grab your opportunity now. And that's the bamboozle bit. And the hoodwink bit is the fact that it's not actually real caviar. It's just ordinary fish eggs. And I think that's really the difference between hoodwink and to bamboozle. Okay, bamboozling, you're confusing people's minds, you're pushing them and talking a lot. Whereas I think hoodwink is more sleight of hand, more a magic trick, yeah, more not giving what they think something is, yeah. So I think it's easier for people to be hoodwinked because they don't recognize it, yeah. Whereas to bamboozle, you're pushing them to do it. To hoodwink and to bamboozle, I think I would probably give both of these a 4.5 informality. I don't think I would use either of them in a very formal conversation or a very formal writing. But use them in a semi-formal writing, I guess, or an informal conversation. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bamboozle or hoodwink?